Alright, we're putting a plate of marshmallows in the microwave, and as you can see, these are quite small marshmallows, but who gives a fuck? But, yeah, we're gonna put them in the microwave and see what happens.
See, these are the kind you buy at Kroger. They get so big. It's like a big crocodile. They get humongous. They're beauties. Oh shit, one just fell overboard. Holy shit, we got a volcano going on. This is gonna make world history. Look at that, and there is 29 seconds to go. Oh my god. This is gonna wow, make the Earth news. I don't even think there is an Earth news. It's gonna make it though. Whole 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what they look like. Holy shit! You see how this went from that big to that small?
Smells. Look at the motherfuckers still in there.
It's like Jello.
Eat it, Alex, eat it.
Man, I don't know about this. I guess I might have to eat it. Let's see if it tastes good. Tastes like just like that Kentucky Fried Chicken. Man, I had some of this last night. Got it on sale. Go to KFC.
What if some foreign kids watch this? I don't know what the fuck KFC is.
Or buy some El Polo. That means chicken in Spanish, biatch. This is delicious. Oh my god. It's all so good. It's good down to every last drop.
You better lick that shit out of the microwave.
It might be tough to get off the plate, but it's still good.
What the fuck you're doing? Here's our previous plate. We kind of put it in there for 2 minutes. So, like, yeah, watch. When I bend the plate, like, yeah, he ate that. I'm serious.